I have a very basic HTML and CSS file here. Currently this page looks like this. I will make these three column using CSS Grid. Let me show you these finished products. This is the first example. This is second example, and this is the last. All right, let's write some CSS for this. Let me show you the HTML. I have three divs, example 1, 2, and 3. But this is wrapped with a different div named container. Anyways, first of all, I'm going to select this UL tag on CSS. So UL display grid template column should be repeat 2 times, and you can use 500 pixel or 1 FR, but I'm going with auto. If I save this and go to my page, this is now 2 column, but I want a small gap in between these two lists. So column gap 90 pixel would be better. If I refresh, oops, column gap much better. And ultimately the CSS for these three example would be same, but I am going to show you the problem here. If this looks good on a larger device, but if you see on a small device, for example mobile, this looks very stacked. So I'm going to make it 1 column on mobile device. So I'm going to cut and paste this within a media query. For example, media mean width 768. So if the browser width is hits the tab size, then it will fire this code CSS. And for this mobile device, I want 1 column, so grid template columns should be 1 FR. So if I hit save and refresh this page, it will be same just like the past, but if I check this mobile version, this is now 1 column. So for this second example, I'm going to copy this code and paste it here. Just going to change this UL to OL. So this is just because it is ordered list, so this one. So if I refresh this, this class name should be example 2, and refresh once again. This is how it works. And for this third one, it's a little different. So as I showed you on the beginning, it has a extra HTML attribute, that is start. That means it will start from the 7. So I'm going to target this whole container div, I mean this one. So instead of targeting this OL tag, so container same as display grid. I'm going to copy this, and this is same as this last two one. And if I refresh this, you will see that it's distributed. In the difference between these two is it's horizontally distributed. For example, 1 on the left side, 2 on the right side, but in this case 1 is on the top, 2 is on the bottom. So that's the difference. I will give you a link to my GitHub repository so you can see this code. Thanks.